Greetings people, how's it going? Some random person here, and today we're gonna take a closer look at Exolo, a crypto exchange that you probably like for the various features that they offer. First of all, as like a start, they won 2 awards recently, which are the best crypto platform as well as fast growing exchange in 2023. They've also been featured in a bunch of different outlets down here, and I will give you an overview of what this one is all about. They're also available on the App Store as well as iOS, in case you want to use your phone instead of your computer. And with them, you can trade anytime, anywhere. I will show you how to sign up, how to verify everything in here, as well as talk about some of the different features, like their up to 50% affiliate commission they have, the mock trading, which if you've used 2 stocks, it's called paper trading. So you can use something like a demo account and pretend to trade before you invest any of your own money, as well as some other things they have available for the community. So they can help you to unlock your passive aggressive income potential with them. Now, as always, links to everything in the description down below. As it is an exchange, it's free to sign up, there is nothing to lose. And if you got friends who might be interested in an exchange like this, there's the affiliate program, so you get a commission for referring people to it. And if your friends like to try it anyways, then there's a win-win for you guys. Now let's sign up so I can show you how it goes. For that, all you need is an email, a password that has 8 to 20 characters, includes at least 1 number and letter, and then an invitation code, which you might have. There's probably an affiliate link for me in the description down below, but otherwise there would be like a short code that you can use for that. I agree with the terms of service and hit sign up. We slide to verify and then receive a 6-digit code in our email. You can save your password, and this is how it looks like then. You can deposit crypto into your account, meaning if you already have crypto, let's say in MetaMask or on a different exchange, you can send it over. For that, in the top right corner, you would hit deposit, select the currency you would like to deposit. They have, I think, up to 400 available on the platform. You can deposit roughly 50 in here, then select the network, you will get your address, or simply scan the QR code, and that's how you can send money into your account. But you can also buy crypto directly using cash. So if this one is your first exchange and you want to use it to start in crypto, you can also use traditional fiat currency in order to buy it. Now that is in our spot account. Spot account, in like super simple terms, just means you can buy crypto, sell crypto, that's what you do. Then you also got futures and you got margin. For futures, there's always a risk involved. So if you ever traded futures before, you know what I mean. Otherwise, it's best to look up a full definition and watch a guide on how to do it. Just know that this one is available with the same trading coins, with an important part, and that is there's no limitation on leverage. Usually, and I'll draw that in paint for you, when you trade in leverage, let's say you have $5 and you use 10x leverage. That means you trade with $50 instead of your 5. So if you make 10%, you now make 10x 100%. You will double your money. If it goes down by 10%, you lose all your money. And depending on the multiplier you have in your leverage, that always works. You also get a margin account in here for cross 3x as well as isolated, where you can transfer, borrow and repay or trade any of those coins mentioned over here. And if you want to read the asset certification, the audits done for that, they have an option for that as well, but that is only for the first tap. The important thing is, which sets this one apart from most of the other exchanges, is that they have mock futures, for example. So you can use a demo account, learn how to trade without ever using real money. Obviously you don't make profit, it's all a game, there's nothing to get or to lose, but you can use it to learn with the real market. So if you select mock futures, you get a pop-up to see the risk confirmation, understand the risk. You see the order book for buys, sells, the charts. You can use different indicators up there if you want to play with that. And if you use 2 similar overviews, this one got you covered with everything you need. If you play with the leverage level in the top right corner, you can use 125x leverage. So if you know what you do, this might be pretty good for you. For mock trading in here, you can't use infinite money, so you can't just say, I have $10,000 made up and you can trade with that. What you can do is with the money that you have in your account anyways, you can create your mock account. So let's say you have $150 deposited in real money, you then get $150 in your demo account just to play around, which is worthless, and use that to trade. That way you learn what you do, and even if you lose everything, there isn't really anything to lose, because it's a mock account. With my camera disappearing in the bottom right corner, you can see the help center, the support. So if there's anything you would like to ask, you can send the question in here and get a response fairly quickly. And next to the trade options that they have, they also got a reward center. For the affiliate program, so if you invite people, most likely your friends that want to try this anyways, you get up to 50% commission on each referral. Benefits like a no earnings cap, competitive commissions, all of that. All you gotta do for that is sign up, get your link, that's it. And if you'd like to, you can reach out down there. There's a short form where you can use your nickname, your email, contact, as well as resources. Let's say you have a Twitter following. You could promote it there if you like to. And under that, they got the task center, where there's 1,000 USDT cash reward, easy to get. This is similar to a daily login schedule, so you get used to using the exchange. Let's say, for example, day 1, check in now. And if you want to check in, you will see that you have to go with the verification and bind your phone number or Google Authenticator. So you can click on Setup. Authenticator, it's just an app. You're probably used to it for 2-factor authentication. There's a QR code, you scan it, then you get a 6-digit code, which refreshes every 30 seconds. And for your phone number, well, you need your phone number. And then on the left hand side for personal verification, you need an ID document as well as a selfie, which then increases your withdrawal limit and also allows transactions. Besides that, they have a couple mini quests or achievements you could call them. For example, they have daily futures trading volume, right? That's one of the daily tasks that they have. So if you trade futures anyways, you get $1 a day. The first time you spot trade, you get 2. First time you deposit crypto, you get 3. And then if you're also into spot trading, if you trade for 200 a day or more, you get $1 USDT. And those are dailies. So if you trade crypto anyways, there's like $2 a day free or 730 a year. That's a lot. For futures, there's also a bonus available, so that's an extra 45 USDT here. And as I say down there, after you complete a task, you can get a bonus, which can be used to trade in the contract and can't be withdrawn, meaning the bonus on here is stuck to your account, but you can use it in order to trade. Now, all in all, for the exchange, they got various different bonuses at the moment as well. They make the application user-friendly, so if you download that on your phone, for example, it looks good, it's simple to use and does what it's supposed to do. They get low fees, high liquidity. They also got a YouTube account where they show you with the different options that they have in 18 videos exactly how to do everything in here. Let's say you have a question, for example, regarding the affiliate and referral program. You simply click the video. It's a minute long, explains everything you need. Done. So they get you covered with a video guide for all of that. For the community, of course, they got the Twitter, but on the side, on the top right corner, they also have Telegram available, Medium articles, and also their own blog, which teaches you various things. How does crypto work? What is a meme coin? And the ultimate introduction to DeFi, everything you need to know. So in case you just want to read about some crypto stuff, they have you covered with that as well. And if you want to sign up, links to everything is in the description down below, as well as the pinned comment. Maybe you want to follow them on Instagram, take a look at their Twitter and what they post. Or, you know, first of all, learn something about the site on YouTube and then sign up or get the app. All in all, it's free. And simply say, you sign up, you don't really use the exchange, at least they have the mock trading feature available for futures. So if you ever want to learn how to trade futures, you could deposit like, let's say $100, then you get 100 in your mock account, play with that, see what happens, and then withdraw your own money at any time. And that is up to you. All I can say is, they made this really user-friendly, easy to understand, and instead of giving you like 60, 70 different buttons to click on and all of that, like some other exchanges, they keep this simple. As in, okay, do you want to buy crypto and trade? They have it here. Do you want to get free stuff? They have it there. Do you want to check out the community? Have it there. Done. When I used other exchanges, and I haven't used them in a couple months, for example, I always get confused how do I do things, because they have like 70 different buttons. Like, you will know what I mean, but there are exchanges when you hover over your balance in the top right, and you have like 12 options. And all you want to do is withdraw crypto, and it's so complicated. And in here, you have your balances, and then there's a giant button that says withdraw, so you can click that if you have anything in there, and you withdraw it. Simple. Pretty much removing all the unnecessary steps while delivering high quality. And I like that. Links down below, check them out. Let me know what you think, and I see you fairly soon. Take care.